Hey there everybody, my name is Eric and I want to show you how to use my program Delete Reddit Posts. What this program does is allows you to delete every one of the posts that you've made on Reddit. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is come to github.com/Warnakey, WARNAKEY/delete Reddit posts with hyphens between each word like this. So you're going to come here and then you're going to click on this button that says clone or download. You're going to download the zip and you'll see that it starts to download over here. So I'm going to show this in my folder and I'm going to right click this and extract the files. And these files are going to go to my desktop, which is right here. And I'm going to name the folder that they go into Delete Reddit Posts like this. I'm going to click OK. And so now I'm going to go to my desktop and you'll see that it's right here. And what I'm going to do actually is put the files in here. And so what I'm actually doing is I have my folder here and then inside the folder called Delete Reddit Posts is the files like this. So I don't want a subfolder like I had before. Alright, so once that is done, the next thing that I'm going to do is open up my command prompt, which is called the terminal on Mac. So to do that, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to type command prompt, and I can also just type in terminal too, and it pops up too. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to drag it over here, and what I need to do first is navigate to the new folder that I created, so desktop. So CD stands for change directory, and then I want to change directory into the desktop, and then on Windows I have to do a backslash like that. On Mac it's going to be a / like this, and on Windows it's a backslash like that. So delete -reddit - posts, hit enter, and then the next thing that I need to do is install 2 dependencies. So to do that I'm going to press npm install Puppeteer and hit enter, and it's going to start downloading the Puppeteer program. And so you can see it right there. It's going to take maybe a minute at most to do this. And Puppeteer is a library that Google gives away for free that allows you to automate things like mouse clicks, typing things, etc. And so I used this program to basically do everything. And you can also use Puppeteer to take screenshots of things. It's overall just a really incredibly useful library, and it's all written in JavaScript. So you can check that out just by searching for Puppeteer, and you can learn more about that on the GitHub page that Google has for Puppeteer. So this is going to finish up in just a couple seconds. And we're waiting for it. There it is. Okay, so it's done. Next thing that we need to do is over here, you can see this is what we're doing right now. So we need to click npm install prompt, and the next program that this program needs, or the next library that this program needs, is called prompt, and that allows us to enter in different things. And so that one's already done, and so now we're ready to run the program. So to run the program, we do the next line, which is node, and node.js is the library that allows this whole thing to run, not in the browser but on my desktop. So node run.js, and that's the file inside here on my desktop. So here it is from before, and here it is, run.js. That's the same file that you downloaded from GitHub a second ago. So enter, and you'll see over here on the left a window has popped up, and that's what's supposed to happen. This is Puppeteer. It's like a version of Chrome. So it's asking me here now, so I'm going to click back here on my command prompt. So it's asking me what the Reddit username is. So the Reddit username that I'm using for testing is 15 or 16. And I'm going to hit the enter button. And then it's asking me for the password. And this password for this account is password123. Your password and your username are going to be different. I'm going to change this after the video is done so no one can get into this account. But we'll hit enter and let's see what happens. It says it's attempting to log into Reddit. You can see over on the left side of the screen here that stuff is being typed in automatically without me touching it. So that's the program at work. And so basically this program is now going to log into Reddit, check to see if we're using the new version of Reddit or the old one. And so right now you can see it's the new version, and so it's going to tell me that this Reddit account is using the new version. So now it's going to navigate to the settings page, and because it's the new version, it's going to opt out of this new version and go back to the old version because it's a lot easier for me to delete stuff in the old version. But we're going to go back later to the new version, so don't worry. So you can see now it's going to start deleting stuff. And so it says over here on the right, deleted post number 1, now deleted post number 2, and so on and so on. And it takes about 3 or 4 seconds per post because if I go any faster, the program tends to crash, and so this is the perfect speed to go. So basically you just kind of set this thing and forget it, and now it says all Reddit posts that were found were deleted, and it's switching back to the new version of Reddit. And now it's going to tell me that the program is done. So program complete, closing out a Puppeteer and exiting the program. And so now it's going to even give me back here. So the whole program is done now. So I can X out of this. And that's it, guys. That's how you do the entire program. If you like it, feel free to go here, which is paypal.me/Eric Warnicke. And if you like it, feel free to donate some to me because I spent about 2 full days doing this. And if you find it useful, I'd really appreciate it. And that's all. Thank you so much.